In this quick video, we're going to talk about client portal access logs and client portal access requests. These are two additional user roles that you may not have access to. If you do, this video is for you. Firm360's client portal access logs let you see whether clients are successfully logging into the portal. This is especially useful if a client reports trouble signing in. You need the client portal access management user role to view these logs. In the log, you'll see entries indicating two key steps. First, the successful authentication. For example, the client has entered the correct email and last four digits of the social associated with their contact information. Next, you'll see that they entered the correct verification code. They must have two yeses in a row to show that they've gained access to the client portal. If a client can't access the portal, here are common causes to check. The contact might not be set up properly. They could be missing key required information. You'll see here in this first attempt that says the success was unsuccessful, our logs give the detail that that last four digits of the social security number did not match this contact's information. Once a contact attempts to log in 5 different times, failing each time, their account will be locked for 15 minutes. Once that 15 minutes passes by, they can attempt again. In my previous video, I showed you how a client could fill out an access request. Here, under Access Requests in the black ribbon, you will see all pending, approved, and rejected client portal access requests. When a client enters their information, the request comes through like this. From here, you can approve or reject the request, updating the contact's information. That's a quick look at the client portal access logs, request logs, and a few troubleshooting hacks. These logs make it easy to verify logins and resolve access problems quickly, keeping your clients connected and reducing support headaches. As always, if you need additional assistance when helping troubleshoot for your clients, you can always reach out to our support team at support@my